Hi there, it's Gaylin. Today I'm back representing Unity Stamp Company. I'm one of their design team members, and today I'm going to show a way to add a handmade card overlay with stamping. And I'm also using pattern paper for the background. I'm starting with a kit by Unity Stamp Company called Obsessively Grateful by Graciele Design. And I'm also using the pattern paper that Unity is starting to make called Autumn Dream paper pack. I pre-stamped and heat embossed in gold, actually in copper, the sentiment on vellum. So I use vellum cardstock and Versamark ink and copper embossing powder for the sentiment, and I trimmed that. Now I'm using the original Misty to stamp onto a plain white cardstock sheet that's going to eventually be cut down. I'm going to stamp with Versamark and heat emboss that in copper as well. So I'm adding the Versamark now. I'm adding the copper embossing powder. I repeat the stamping just to get it all over that panel, which will eventually be cut down. To remove any excess embossing powder, just use a fine, dry paintbrush, then heat set it with a heat tool. So this process is repeated for each of the layers of leaves that's stamped. Now, I also show a different way to use the same card overlay technique, and that's with stamping with colored ink. I did a purple version of the stamping, and I used color box ink for that. And I stamped it with the color ink, and then I used a clear embossing powder for the purple version of this card. I variated 3 different colors on the leaves for that card. Now to make the panels, I just trimmed them down. I trimmed 1-inch sections of the stamped background, and I added foam tape to each strip. I placed it first before taking the adhesive off the back. There's a strip that protects the adhesive, and after I decide where exactly I want it to go, I take the strip off of the adhesive and adhere it directly to the background. Now I'm adding with flat double-sided tape the sentiment layer, and I'm adding some adhesive gems. I do is similar for the other card I'm going to show you. I just easily did 2 cards at once with different types of stamping colors. I hope you like this technique. It's easy to do. It's easy to make multiples of this kind of technique, this kind of card. Thanks for watching. I hope you like and follow me and subscribe to my YouTube and follow me on Facebook. Thank you.